fast. I can't keep up with him. Maybe this is it. This is where I lose it.